Hello guys. Here we have an HP. It's a nice machine. Anyway, the issue with this machine, it's not turning on at all. It's more like a comeback. It's a comeback because I fixed this machine, and it's back. But this time the ripping is faulty. So how did I came into that conclusion that the problem was here on the ripping? Let me show you how. So what I did was very simple. Still a laptop, the power connector on pin number 2, it's where it says power button on the schematic. I'm using a DC bench power supply, so this is how you turn on a laptop without the power button. On pin number 2, pin number 1, I think pin number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay, the machine is not turning on. Why is that? So pin number 2. Okay, there we go. It's turning on. And we do have a display. It's loading Windows. I'm sure you can see. You see it's loading Windows. It says please wait. So guys, anyway, I have a proof that the PC is fine. It's working fine. But the problem is coming from where? From the power button. Let's go ahead. Let's check the power button. Let me show you the power button. You'll see what we have on the power button. I think I have to use a microscope for a power button. I don't want to confuse you. Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead. So what do we have? There we go. This is a power button. I hope you can see someone worked on this thing before, on a power button before. So I'm gonna work on it as well. I don't have any choice. So I will have to fix it. All right. We have to solder this. So this is how you do it. Let me show you how you do it. You see here, you have to mount a tape. Okay, put a tape and put the cable solid and fixed. Let me show you how. You put a tape there to secure a cable. So right, so we can put a tape right there. Okay, all right, this is done. This is a tape, a masking tape. So let's go ahead. Let's see. So what you do, you put flaxi. Okay, guys, this is nice. But wait. There's something here. I think these two wires are touching. So what you do, you take your thing. Okay, we have to apply flaxi. Okay, this is fine. Able, this is lovely. Okay, so now what we do, you need a masking tape. Just put a tape there. Okay, let me put one. Okay, I think this is sharp. Otherwise, let me put another one, another big piece. Okay, let's put back everything. Let's go ahead, let's see. Put this cover. Then let me connect the power button. Oh, yeah. Can you believe this? Oh, okay, it's fine. I thought I did the wrong thing there on the power button, but no, I'm right. It seems like I did the correct thing. Let's close it up. So what you do, you connect your charger. And the ground to ground. Let me see. Let's press the power button. Okay, it doesn't turn on at all. Okay, it doesn't turn on at all. Okay, it's not turning on. Okay, it's easy. Don't panic. Don't panic. Aibo. Okay, I installed the cable the wrong way. Okay, it means I will have to remove the whole thing. The cable is installed the wrong way. I'm gonna show you under the microscope. I did a mess here, but it's okay to do mistake, don't worry. We have to remove all of this. After this, remove the tape. Remember the tape we installed to secure the cable. It's out. Okay, now I have rotated the cable. So that tape right there is so important because it's gonna help you to make this thing so easier by holding the cable down, and then all you have to do, you just have to move your thing. Because this thing is so easy to do. Done. It's all done now. I'm gonna change this tape because after cleaning the board with alcohol, the tape won't be able to hold. The masking tape is more like a paper. So we clean this area, make sure there's no short. So what you do now, peel off the tape, then you clean. Okay, it's clean underneath, clean on top. You know why we're cleaning this much? It's because we want to use what? Want to use a tape. Let's use a tape. Let's hold this cable in place. Again, you know why? Wanna make sure that it won't be able to come out easily again and end up destroying the cable. This is it, guys. Sharp. Bye. Wait. Let's put back everything. Let's see now. There's your laptop. Put this on top. Oh, wait. Okay, I clipped the cable there underneath. So now it's close. Connect the positive. Connect the ground. Now let's press the power button. Machine is turning on. There we go. It's working fine. It's loading Windows. I'm sure you can see. There we go. I'm sure you can see. Anyway, I can't show you because there's I saw a user. Yeah, I saw a user of this PC. Yeah, there you see. I can't show you that information right there. There's a picture of someone there, so I can't show you. Anyway, this is it. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned because there's more to learn and laptops are changing. So if you miss this channel, I'm telling you, laptops are changing, motherboards are changing, they're improving into a new tech. So if you run away from this channel, I'm telling you, no, soon there will be no one repairing MOSFETs. They're getting into end sticks now. Tech is moving to another level where laptops are not using MOSFETs. So anyway, let me just stop there. Stay tuned. I love you so much, guys.